it's Khristina from Redefine Creative, and I am here with a really fun and super easy project for Paper House Productions. And I wanted to do a few videos on using sticker books, because not just from Paper House, but places like Me and My Big Ideas and all of the Happy Planner things, there are tons and tons and tons of planner sticker books. And I am a huge collector of them because I think they are adorable. I love them. But I want to use them in my scrapbooks as well because I'm not so great at decorating my planner. I'm really good at keeping track of appointments and things, but I am not so great at using my planner in a decorative way. So I'm going to be showing you a few different videos coming up about some ways that you can use these sticker books. And this one from Paper House Productions is absolutely perfect, you guys. You so need this sticker book. So inside the sticker book, this is the one from Avalon and Ninth. There were all of these stickers that were meant to decorate the boxes of a planner that had all of these really cool images. So florals and balloons and all kinds of different little icons. And you'll see them a little better in the close-up. So what I did was I took my large size hexagon punch. So this isn't the extra large one. This is like the next size down hexagons. And took a bunch of those stickers out and punched them all into hexagons. And I was kind of looking at this sketch to start with, but I end up going in my own direction. But that's kind of where I started, was with the sketch and the sticker book. And that's why this page is going to come together so quickly, because every single one of these little hexagons is already a sticker. And all of those really bright, fun images were already done for me. So I am just kind of arranging how I want them to go. I'm trying to do sort of a rainbow across the layout. So I'm going from like reds and pinks to yellows and oranges, and then greens, blues, and then on to purples. And I'm just kind of changing the placement a little bit. So I was trying to follow the sketch, and then I was not liking the direction it was going. I had too many hexagons, and so I changed it up. And then off screen, I went ahead and stuck all those stickers down. And then I'm going to just outline my paper with this Blue Suede Shoes ink from Catherine Pooler, which is my absolute favorite ink. And so I'm going to take this black and white photo, and a layout like this where you're doing a really fun rainbow background works really well with a black and white photo. And because there are so many pictures and so many patterns in my hexagons, I'm not going to do a whole lot else to this particular layout. So I'm going back through my stickers, and there you can see where I kind of did all of the punching out of those sticker sheets. And I thought I was going to put some of these little heart banners up in the top corner, and the scale is just a little bit not right for what I was doing. So I tried out, I lined them all up, and it's just not working for me. So what I'm going to end up doing is peeling those stickers off, and then I'm going to go ahead and use just a couple of leftover hexagons, and then I'm going to pull another one out of the sticker book and punch one more hexagon with this kind of pink color. And I'm going to have a little cluster of those up there in the top corner instead. So because the banners just didn't seem like they were a little bit too small for the space that I had, so I grabbed some hexagons instead, and that's going to work out perfect. And then I wanted to add some little gold accents, because in a bunch of the stickers in this sticker book, they have some gold foil. So I have these leftover puffy titles and hearts from Heidi Swap. And then I'm also going to grab a whole ton of sequins from Spiegel Mom Scraps. So what I want to do is use some gold accents, and then I also want to put some clusters of sequins along my hexagon trail in the area where those rainbow colors are. So that's why I'm pulling out so many different mixes of sequins, because I want to go ahead and cluster them up by color. And this is really not any specific important story picture. It was just a picture of my daughter. I think she had just gotten her haircut, and so we were taking a picture to send to her dad of what the new haircut looked like because he was stuck at work. And so it's nothing where there's a huge, big involved story. So that works really well with a background and a layout design like this, because I don't need a lot of journaling. I don't have a lot to say. It's just kind of a cute picture. And I tried my darndest, you guys, to get these acrylic glasses on this page because I think they are so stinking cute. And I tried them in literally a million different places all over this layout, and they don't make the cut. They just weren't working for me. So here you can see, and I'm not going to make you watch all of my process through this, but I am just pulling out sequins from all of these different sequin mixes in the colors that I want for certain clusters. So like I want to have a little orange color and that cluster, and then a pink cluster, a blue one, a purple one, a green one. You get the idea. So I'm having to go through all of my sequin stash, and I keep a whole bunch of it up there at the top of my desk. And I pull out all those different little sequins and shapes and colors that kind of match with the rainbow colors of my layout. And that is really going to do it. So you guys, seriously, sticker books and scrapbooking, super quick and easy for a layout like this to come together. And it gives it a really unique look. So definitely click on the link down below, check out this particular sticker book, and I'll be back with more sticker book ideas very soon. Bye!